What if you could instantly analyze up to 12 months of your Amazon search query performance data using Helium 10's Search Query Analyzer and AI analysis? That would save you a whole lot of time, right? Your search query performance data tells you exactly which keywords are driving sales, which keywords convert better than the market, and where your click-through rate outperforms competitors. That's direct revenue insight. When you know which keywords are generating purchases, which ones are giving you low ACoS, and where you have high conversion but low visibility, well, you can optimize your listings, adjust PPC bids, and double down on profitable traffic. That is what makes you money, because instead of guessing what to scale, you get to make decisions based on one full year of real conversion and sales data instantly. And with Helium 10, you can do it in seconds. Now, even if you don't have Helium 10, you can technically do this inside of Seller Central. It'll just take a few hours, but if you are using Helium 10, here's how you analyze up to a year's worth of data in seconds. Go into Search Query Analyzer, select month of and the last 12 months here of your account if you wish, then go in and choose the products. Let me go ahead and type in Coffin Shelf here and put on our main product. We select it. We also are going to have AI analysis on. That's going to give us some other options here, and we're about to show you. Once you've hit apply AI analysis, the first thing it's going to show is all 12 months of search query performance data, all the keywords that have ever come up in any of those months. So we can see here, for example, we can sort by our purchases and we can see, oh my goodness, we've got 50 purchases for the keyword coffin shelf. We've got 6 purchases for coffin box. We've sold for coffin shelves. We've sold for coffin bookshelf, etc. But then if we go ahead and look at the AI analysis, we hit this button, view AI analysis here. And now we can instantly see what were the best conversion rate keywords for us. What were the market top sales keywords? What were the top search volume keywords? Here in our keyword performance matrix, we can even see, hey, what got us low ACoS, right? Because that ties to our PPC data. We can look at funnel analytics and see, hey, how are things going overall? How do things progress between the impression all the way down to the purchase for our product? What are some of our high value, low visibility keywords? In other words, where might we not be showing up at the top of search, but we've got really good data? AI summarizes a lot of what you need to look at when you're looking at your search query performance data, because sometimes it might be a little overwhelming, and I get that. That will help you kind of laser focus on what actions you need to take. So again, if you want to be able to look at 12 months of search query performance data almost instantaneously, then use Helium 10 for that. Even if you don't have Helium 10, well, just go to Seller Central, go to Search Query Performance, download the 12 different reports, do a pivot table, and then put all that data together. It's still some of the most important data that you can have. It'll take a little bit more time. So again, if you want to be able to look at 12 months of search query performance data almost right away, then use Helium 10 for that. Even if you don't have Helium 10, well, guess what? You can go to Seller Central, go to Search Query Performance, download 12 different reports, do a pivot table, put all the data together because it's still valuable information, and then, use some sort of outside AI to give you some summaries, but with Helium 10, you can do it all with just 2 clicks inside of your dash. Okay, see you in the next video.